Hello crafty friends, Amanda here with Crafting with Amanda, and this month I am participating in Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Here is the sketch for March 1st, and I'm kind of doing things a little bit differently in that I am going through a whole bunch of my mom's old photos from the 50s and 60s, and I'm going to create kind of a heritage album for her. So I have a paper pack, I have some sketches or some base pages that are already done that I hope to incorporate in this process. Hope you'll join me for this journey. So some journeys start with a bumpy start, and today is a bumpy start for me. So I had to re-record some of the process, and I couldn't re-record all of it because the page was already done. But when I went to copy my files over to my husband's laptop, I accidentally deleted them. But I did recover them, only the first 3 files didn't recover, so I only had the 2 end files. So I apologize, but I wanted to show you, I have this box that's full of the photos from my mom from the 60s, 50s, and 60s. And some of them, I don't even know who the people are in them. Some of them are written on, but my mom should know. So for the month of March, during this 30 days of sketches, Christy's Beautiful Life, round 9, I'm going to take these Picture My Life cards that you saw. I went stash diving and pulled those up. And then I also have this paper pack. I don't even know where it came from, but it kind of has these muted green colors. And after I had done my layout, I was showing you that I knew for the graduation that my mom's high school colors were red, black, and white. So I added some red to that, but I needed some gray, floral, just stuff basically for filler. So I went and I spent an hour and just cut a whole bunch of that. So back to this paper pack that I have. I don't even know where it came from, how I got it. I think someone probably gave it to me, but it kind of has the softer tones of these next papers that are on the screen now. And these are the Miracle papers, and we did workshops years ago with my group, and you made 21 pages from the Imagine book. It was like one big workshop that you cut all your papers and then you put together 21 single pages. And I thought that these colors weren't going to be so overpowering for the photos, since most of them are black and white. Few of them have some color in them, but not necessarily a lot. And I have 2 packs of those workshops of the 21 pages. So now we're going to cut ahead to one of the raw video that I managed to save. And this is the layout, pretty much mostly done. I'm just using a white gel pen and adding the year of my mom's graduation. And I did add these red flowers, which are a little more bold than I think you're gonna see throughout the rest of this process. But who knows, maybe I'll find more flowers that'll just give me inspiration as we go along. So I'm excited to get a whole bunch of my mom's photos put into an album, or at least started. And this is all happening before we move, so I added her name on it. And here I just want to show you, this is part of the re-recording that I did sequins in the middle of the flowers. This is the 3D flower, thin cut from Close to My Heart. I just used the brushed gold sequins and peppered them along the layout. And tomorrow's layout will be a companion page to this, because I have a few more graduation photos, a photo with my granddad and my mom, and then I think some gifts that she got. So that's the layout for today, and I hope you have a great day. Be sure to check out all the others that are participating in the hop. There will be their channel links in the list in my description. Not everybody's participating every day. I know Kim Ferguson and I are both trying to have a good, strong start and to do a lot of these days. Have a blessed day.